Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial about WordPress, and today's topic is how to create blog page in WordPress. This is my website created in Astro theme. In this section, I want to add blog page for daily updates related to our channel. Let's head to dashboard. Under pages, click add new. Let's name as blog. And here we hit publish. Our blog is created. Have a look once how it actually looks like. Okay, alright, let's move up towards menu section to add this page on header. Go with appearance, then menus. Let's add blog page in the menu. Customizing according to my preference. Now save menu. Okay, alright guys, let's check how it is appearing on top of the website. Awesome, isn't it? But our latest posts should be posted under this blog page in future. For this setting, head towards settings and then go on with reading option. We have an option over here called post page, so select your page. Now whatever I post, that will be posted under this specific page. We shouldn't have any more changes to do. Simply save changes. Let's check out, is it perfectly settled or not through posting a new post. Title shall be a test. Making private as I am not yet ready with my content to post. Click on update. Let's create another test post. Let's visit my site once and check. Clicking on blog. Great, Alhamdulillah, my latest post posted under blog page. Hit like the video and subscribe to the channel if you new here.